you to hold me, come and lay with me. Set aside your problems with me, baby. Save your conversation for the basement. I want you speaking in tongues. You know what they say about those they come together like we're together. You can't let them slip away. You can't let them slip away. Everything together so unpredictable, but one thing I know for sure: you turn my sixes to nines, frequently fly. We can't deny it's feeling tonight. I know I weaken when I look in your eye and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You turn my sixes to nines. You turn my sixes to nines. I want you to hold me, ride this with me. Set aside your inhibitions, maybe. Sometimes when it feels right, maybe it's alright. I want you speaking in tongues. Know what